Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use filters in Google Analytics. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account and then click here on the report section, and you can open any report. Suppose I want to see traffic acquisition report, and here you can see all the channel groups. So suppose you want to add filter, so you have to click on add filter icon. Here you can add so many filters. Suppose I want to add a device, so I would search here device category, and exact match we can use. And for mobile, for desktop, I want, suppose I want to see, and plus I want to add more dimensions like country I want to add. And here you can also use exact match, and I want to use country, suppose this one. And here I added two filters. In a single filter I am adding two conditions, I would say. So here I will click on apply button, and now you can see if you want to cross check, you can add in country. So it will provide you only India country, and you can see device category, it will provide you only desktop. So here you can use this filter in any report, and make your report more usable, and analyze your audience. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.